Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete Amazon order. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is, first of all, you're gonna access a particular Amazon app in your mobile phone, right, and get logged in as well. Afterward, you're gonna tap on this option called simply your icon below, profile icon kind. And here in this section you're going to find this option called your orders on top, right? Go ahead, tap on this your orders, and now here in this section you're going to find all of the orders that you have placed and are listed, right? You're going to tap on the particular order you want to cancel, and once you have tapped on it, you're going to find this option called cancel item right beside it. Go ahead, tap on the cancel item, and then afterwards it's gonna give you another option called cancel checked item, which you will have a tick on it. Once you have reconfirmed it, you will simply be able to remove, aka cancel a particular order just like that from over here. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.